watching Sierra Janae. Let's go.
So I wait for my cue. So tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way, no other way, other way. Tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way, no other way.
Hello gorgeous people and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sierra Janae and I'm here with an all new haul, you guys. This is my first ever Juicy Couture haul. And if you love Juicy Couture, please stay tuned for this haul because I picked up some cute items from Ross and I picked some like their night clothes out, so we'll get to see that later on in the haul. So if you have not hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell for more uploads like these, and also give me a big thumbs up. So let's get right into the haul. Let's roll it. Okay ladies, first thing first, we all know we love some comfort. So the first thing I picked up in this haul is from the Juicy Couture Intimates collection. I have here the two-piece black and white bralette set. And how cute is this? I picked up this cute bralette set in a size small, and I just love the cute peekaboo detailing here in the front, and it's so soft, very soft to the touch. And it also has the removable padding. It says so on the packaging. And I just love the cute little Juicy Couture hanger. And this is how they look side by side. How cute is that? And I can tell by these bras that they're going to be very comfortable to wear, to work out in, just going out on our day, or just maybe even to sleep in. So as you can see, they have no wires. The straps are very stretchy, and as you can see, even the under boob band is very stretchy. So I can't wait to try these on for you guys, and these were very affordable compared to the original price. The original price was $38 and these were only $10.99. So you can't beat that at Ross. They're gonna always have you dressing for less. So let's go try these on. Ladies, moving right along with this haul. So I'm excited about the next items that I have here from this Juicy Couture haul. So I thought since I got the bralette set, why not get some underwear? So I have here this 5-pack thong set, and unfortunately the hanger broke on this one. And they come in some really pretty colors. As you can see here, it comes in like an ombre pink, a regular pink, a red, a gray and black with like the cute crowns on it, and it say Love Juicy, and also in the plain black. And I actually tried these on before. These are very comfortable to wear, and again it has that cute band with the logo on the front, and the band is like very stretchy. It's seamless, so when you're wearing your pants or your dresses, you don't have to worry about those panty lines getting in the way, or people like, okay girl, I can see your underwear. These are great, and I can't wait to wear the rest of them. And obviously I'm not going to try these on camera, so let's get to the next clip. Another great thing about these underwear, it has a cottony like center, so that makes everything breathable in your lady parts. So the original price for these underwear were $38, and I only picked them up from Ross for, get this, $11. So you can't beat that steal. So go pick you some of these up at Ross.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah.
next item I have here in this haul, I know that you're really gonna love, and I loved it as soon as I saw it on the rack. I have here the 2-piece set sleeve shirts from Juicy Couture. How cute is that? And here's the other one underneath it. And I just love, love, love how pretty and pink it is. Girly. It has Juicy, Juicy, Juicy here on the front in the logo. And I love the silver letters here, just really just bright and bold. And also underneath, and we're gonna also try these on for you guys so you can see how they look on. And they're very, very soft to the touch, stretchy. I can tell it's gonna be really comfy to sleep in. So let's go try these on right now. Okay, ladies, I'm so excited about this next item I have here in the haul. So the next item I have here is another bra. Yes, another bra, and it is not just any bra. It is a baby pink Juicy Couture bra with the Juicy Couture logo on the side and like these cute silver studs, silver or gold studs, and I really just love that detailing about the straps. Again, the straps are very stretchy, and this time they're really thick, so that's gonna bring the extra comfort to your bra wearing experience. And also it has like that foamy texture, and I can tell it's gonna be really, really comfortable to wear, breathable, and it has that push-up cushion on the inside, as you can see, and it's called the Sexy Push-Up Bra. And this bra was just only $7.99, and the original price was, I believe, $14. So yeah, you can't beat that. So go pick up you a nice cute bra at Ross. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to try this bra on and see how it looks. So let's go try it on. Next item I know you're really, really gonna love, ladies. So this next item is for your makeup. I have here is the Juicy Couture Cosmetic Bag. How cute is this? It's black and gold, and it's so cute, and I love it because it kind of reminds me of like that puffer jacket material. It has that same material as a puffer jacket, and it's very stylish in the gold and the black. And it retailed originally, let's see, for $20, and the sales price is $9.99. So again, you cannot beat that. Let's take a closer look at the detailing on the zipper. Even it has Juicy Couture on the zipper. And a closer look of the logo. It's so beautiful. And even the logo part right here is really hard, like metal, so that's pretty cool. So I really like this. And it says here it includes 1 toiletry bottle for travel. So let's get this open and see what's inside. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Oh, so here is the toiletry bottle, travel bottle it was talking about. So this is what it basically looked like, just a basic clear bottle with a cap. And let's see what else it has inside. And just remove the paper, and let's see. And it's just a basic bag. It doesn't have, I don't think it have any pockets here. Just a basic cosmetic bag that you can put all of your makeup and brushes and even your hair accessories in there, just for travel. So, you know, this would be great for travel overnight or anything like that. So I really think this will come in handy. I really like it. Okay, y'all, I said let me see something. So I tried to stuff most of my Juicy Couture items in the cosmetic bag, right? Tell me why I can fit most of it in here. Most everything you have seen in the haul is in this cosmetic bag. It's really amazing to me. Okay, so let me show you guys. There it is. All of the items are in the bag. This is crazy. So definitely great for taking your clothes too. Your underwear, your nightgowns, your bras, all of that is in the bag. Last but not least, in this haul, you cannot have a Juicy Couture haul without a Juicy Couture fragrance. What I have here is the original Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy fragrance. And I have it here in the small travel size box. And this box originally detailed for $30 and I got this only for $19. I would have got the bigger one, but of course that would have been more expensive, but this is so cute. This is my first time ever having this original package. And I just really love the original gold trimming detailing on the box. How royal it looks with the crowns. It's so cute. Again, this is my first time having this one, so I'm gonna open it for you guys and just smell it and just give it a whiff and see how it smells. Look how beautiful, even more beautiful it is outside of the package. Let's open it, let's see what's inside. And this is how it looks on the inside. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness. It looks so royal. Like, here's the big reveal. Oh, look how cute it is. Oh, it is so cute. I love it. The cute little bow on it. It is so adorable. Perfect for traveling. You can see the gold logo on the front and the adorable little bow. I just love perfumes and this is definitely my style. It's so cute, so dainty, and I can't wait to purchase the bigger bottle soon. Let's give this a smell. So, it already smells really good outside of the bottle. Let's give it a spray. It smells so good. That original Juicy Couture fragrance smells like fruit, flowers. It smells so delicious. I just love it. A juicy moment. Really quick before we end this haul, I just want to show you guys this Juicy Couture collectible item that I kept. My dad bought it for my birthday, and this is a fragrance I can't remember the name of, but this bottle is so beautiful. And I've been looking for it online and I still can't find it, but I just really love the gold detailing on the top. How beautiful is this with the crown and the cute little bedazzled Juicy Couture charm on the bottle, around the bottle, and I just kept it for decoration purposes. And the bottle itself just reminds me of a chandelier, and it smells so yummy, so sweet, floral scented. It just smells like spring. Like, it smells so yummy and sweet. And this is what it looks like on the outside. And let's see if I can still smell the scent. Oh yeah, it smells, oh my goodness, like a more mature scent, if you will. So if you guys know what the name of this fragrance is, please leave it down in the comments down below. And there you have it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this Juicy Couture haul. It's my first one ever, so I hope to do more like these. And if you want to see more videos and hauls like these and vlogs, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bells for more uploads like this one. As always, I'm going to leave you guys here with some motivational, inspirational quotes. And the quote of the day is, it says, "Life is juicy, filled with lots of treats." Yes, girl, the life that we live is so juicy. You know, we got so much going on. Sometimes we just have to take it a little bit slow and just enjoy how much of a treat life is. So what I mean by waking up in the morning, that's a treat. We thank God for that. And also just living it more abundantly. So the fruit that you bear can, you know, you can be fruitful and multiply and distribute out to other people that same fruit that you're bearing. So whether you have a great talent or a good attitude, be fruitful and multiply. So that can be juicy. Also, the other quote that I have here, it says, "Wild at the heart, a fearless beauty, pushing life to its limits, a bold leader, in her field, always in the know. Committed to her cause, she's wild for her passions, career, and style. Juicy Couture, Los Angeles. So that's from Juicy Couture itself. So Juicy Couture is telling you this. So stay committed to your dreams, goals, and passions, as the quote said. So I hope I have encouraged you guys today by reading the Juicy Couture quotes. And like I said, live life juicy. Live it to the fullest. And also treat yourself to something a little bit more juicy like these two items. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and just stay encouraged. And if you like what you see, continue watching me. That's your girl, Sierra Janae. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.